hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. So it's time to start cooking the stockpile down. So I spent 2 years buying all this food. Now it's time to cook it and eat it. So today Walmart had these awesome candles, 3-wick candles for $5. Los Angeles. I was up walking. I'm trying to do my walking, and they have the t-shirts on sale for $5. All the t-shirts were on sale. So if you need t-shirts, check out your Walmart. Okay, so it's supposed to be black and red. There were no black and red, but I did get blue and white, and I did get peach. I usually buy 3 of those, you know, to make me survive for, well, it's supposed to be a year, but when they go on sale, I usually buy 3. So, okay, I want to make some spaghetti. So what I had was a package of 12 tomatoes. So if you have tomatoes that you grew in your garden, or you have a can of tomatoes, I made this tomato sauce. So this is the perfect night. And I plunged tomatoes into boiling water, and I boiled them till the skin cracked. Then I removed them and I peeled them. Then I cut them in pieces and I cooked them till they were soft, and then I forced them through a screen. You know, like a metal screen, like, you know, I think mine is submerged in water here. You can get these from Dollar Tree. So if you have a garden and you have tomatoes, you're in business. So, okay, so then I made a tasty batch of meatballs. And if you don't want to use a whole pound of meat, I use a 1/4 pound. So these are meatballs cooked in beef broth. And the beef broth is going to give you can use spaghetti sauce. The beef broth I used is for 1 cup, 1/2. Oh, that's the chicken broth. 1/2 cube. Okay, so let me stir this around a little bit. So I'm going to use a package of Walmart. Where is that? Walmart spaghetti sauce mix. I find it to be good. Okay, let me heat this up. And here is just basic meatballs. When I first started doing YouTube, I did tons of meatball recipes. I could eat those. I think they're kind of really tasty in barbecue sauce, you know, in anything. One of the things that I do is I cook meatballs in sauerkraut and serve it with mashed potatoes. So guess what I did today? I didn't drink any Diet Coke all day long. And so I think the way I was able to do it, okay, so now this is usually for a whole pound of spaghetti, so I'm going to start out with about half of it. Anyway, I watched this doctor and he said, what you're addicted to is the sweet taste. And I always thought what I was addicted to was the caffeine. And I just could not figure out why, you know, I could not dislodge the habit. Well, it turns out that, you know how we have those receptors in our brains? So I have tea. This is why the sugar-free tea didn't work for me. But I had those powdered drinks, and this is vitamin water. And this is a Slurpee. So if any of you have the soda habit, I think that is really, really correct because I haven't suffered any withdrawal. A few years ago when I went off of Diet Coke one day, I thought I was having a seizure in the Walmart parking lot. So it kind of scared me, and I have been tapering off ever since. And so if any of you have the problem, consider that it's the sugary. I think it is correct because I used to drink sugar Coke before I was addicted to caffeine Coke. So okay, let me put some. So everything was in the stockpile. And this is going to make a lot, which is good because then, you know, I can, what I do is when I have some, I don't want to get too much spaghetti in here. When I have some, you know, if I have some left, I just keep it in the refrigerator, and then I get a bowl out of it, you know, for lunch or for dinner the next day. I think this is about the right amount of spaghetti. And so what I like to do is cook my spaghetti for a little while. And so I bought marked down cheese for $2. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put cheese on the top, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven. And then I will show you on the thumbnail. I don't want to waste my cheese. I just want enough cheese on there. Okay, so that's dinner. And that is an easy dinner. Oh, this candle smells good. Let me smell. It smells really good. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells good. Okay, I didn't buy too much for the stockpile, but I got these two big cans of soup for 99 cents only. At 99 cents at 99 cents only. And at Grocery Outlet, I got a box of cereal for 97 cents. So when I bake this, I'm going to bake it down like a pasta bake. And then my hair did not like that conditioner I bought, so I got this today at Walmart for $4. So that was a good deal. Okay, you guys, that'll do it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.